Hello everyone, this is Dave from daveswreathsandthings, and I'm joining Soozie from Soozie's Stuff again for another 60-second DIY collab. Today is our Patriotic episode. I'm from Canada, Soozie's from the US of A, and we've decided to join forces to bring you a patriotic 60-second DIY challenge. Soozie, are you ready? I know I am. Let's throw 60 seconds on the top left-hand corner, and I'm off. Here we go. I have my materials all ready, so this is the inside circle of an embroidery hoop wreath, and I have some white acrylic paint, and I'm just going to give it a nice good coating of that crisp white paint. Now with acrylic paints it dries really quick, so by the time I get to the bottom the top is dry, and then I can just continue on with my 60-second DIY challenge. And here I have red maple leaves. They're made out of felt. It's like a sticker from the Dollar Tree. And I bought a cluster of them. Now, I had one white one in the cluster that I had, so I don't know if that's the same with everybody or whether I got a fluke, but I'm going to use it to my advantage. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cluster of the red leaves at the bottom, and then I'm going to put that white one right at the top. Come on, Dave, you got 8 seconds to go. Get gluing. Come on, come on, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1, and done! My Canadian patriotic wreath is all complete. I hope you loved it. I do too. Thank you so much for joining us today in another fun episode. I appreciate you watching, and a huge thank you to Soozie's Stuff. Don't forget to check her links down below. She has a million other 60-second challenges. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye for now.